Hi, my name is Adi. Welcome to my channel. This is about a Casio hydro mode and a change of bracelet. Now, to do this properly, I reckon you just need to strip it completely down. The only tricky part is removing the stem from the movement, and that's done by just putting a small pin into the hole there. Once you've done that, just take a container and just fill it up with the case with oil. Just have a look at it. Once you've done that, there might be a few air bubbles floating around. Just get a little toothpick or something and move it around till they disappear. Take the movement with the dial on it and just place it in. Make sure you don't put it in flat. Just put it sort of a little bit on sideways, a bit of an angle, bit of a tilt. Move it around and then just put it in. And you'll see all the oil moves out from it. Just keep on pressing it down till it's in place. Take the stem and position it. Don't push it in all the way. Just put it in its place so you don't have to worry about it later. It can be quite tricky to do it. So just continue filling oil. Once it's full, just wiggle around and then just push the stem back in place all the way through. Make sure it goes in any gauges. And that's really all it is. You know, the last bit was I used the syringe, filled it up with oil, put the back on it, and then just squirted more oil in it, just making sure there's no air left into it. And so it's overflowing. Just push the case back on, keep it tight, put the screws back in, and just screw them in really nice and tight. And that's really it. Job is done. Not that difficult. But I think you'll be very surprised with the outcome, the quality and the look of it. It's just absolutely amazing. The watch actually feels a lot heavier than it is with the oil in it. It feels a bit more substance to it. One of the reasons that I removed the bezel from it, it will make cleaning so much more easier. With a bezel on it, the oil just sips into all the little crannies in it, and it's just really difficult to clean. To put the bezel on, just place it down, put the bezel on top of it, and then just firmly push it down, and it should just click into place. And voila, one mod done. The other thing that I wanted to do with this watch was just remove the strap and put a different strap on it. I wanted something with a little bit more substance. I found this stainless steel black strap. I took it off a Skmei cheap Chinese watch, which is just a knockoff of a Casio world timer. It fits straight on it. There's no adjustments to be done. Easy to fit, takes a few minutes. And the look is absolutely amazing. It just changes the whole look of the watch. It's got more substance, it's got more weight to it. It just looks great. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.